Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have in bracket x over x plus 1 all squared plus in bracket x over x minus 1 all squared equals 12. I want to solve for the value of x. To solve this, solution. So we have in bracket x over x plus 1 all raised to power 2 plus in bracket x over x minus 1 all raised to power 2 equals 12. So with this, we are going to say that let x over x plus 1 equals to a and x over x minus 1 equals b, such that this equation then becomes a squared plus b squared equals 12. Next, making use of this identity that if you have in brackets a plus b all squared, this equals a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. And if you move 2ab over to the left hand side, this then becomes in brackets a plus b all squared minus 2ab, and this equals a squared plus b squared. So, inputting the value of a squared plus b squared as this into this given equation, this then becomes, we have in brackets a plus b all squared minus 2ab, and this equals 12. But then recall that the value of a equals x over x plus 1. So we have this, that in brackets x over x plus 1 plus the value of b is x over x minus 1. So we have b as x over x minus 1 all raised to power 2, then minus 2 times x over x plus 1, that is a, then b, x over x minus 1, and this equals 12. So next, we'll look for the LCM of x plus 1 and x minus 1. The LCM is simply in brackets x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. So with this, x plus 1, we divide this. The answer is x minus 1, and x minus 1 will multiply x. So x into bracket x minus 1, then plus x minus 1, we divide this. We have x plus 1. X plus 1 will multiply x into bracket x plus 1, and this is all squared. Then minus 2 times x, 2x squared over x plus 1 times x minus 1 will give us x squared minus 1, and this equals 12. So with this, we have in brackets x times x squared, x times minus 1 minus x, then plus x times x squared, x times plus 1 plus x, all over x plus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 will give us x squared minus 1, then all squared minus 2x squared over x squared minus 1, and this equals 12. So with this, we have x squared plus x squared, which equals 2x squared, minus x will cancel plus x, then over x squared minus 1 all raised to power 2 minus 2x squared over x squared minus 1, and this equals 12. So at this junction, we have 2x squared over x squared minus 1, same thing here also. We are then going to say that let 2x squared over x squared minus 1 to equal m, such that this equation then becomes, we have m squared minus m, and this equals 12. Move 12 over to the left hand side. M squared minus m minus 12 equals to 0. This equation can be solved by factorization method. So we have m squared minus m can be written as minus 4m plus 3m minus 12, and this equals 0. Factorize out m from this, m into brackets m minus 4. Factorize out plus 3 from this, plus 3 into bracket n minus 4, and this equals 0. Here we have a common factor, n minus 4, n minus 4, pick 1, n minus 4, multiplied by, we have n plus 3, n plus 3, and this equals 0. At this junction, we can equate this to 0, n minus 4 equals 0, or we have n plus 3 equals 0. So m is equal to 4 and m is equal to minus 3, the first and the second solution of m. But then the goal is to solve for x. To do so, recall that from here we said let 2x squared over x squared minus 1 equals to m. So recall that from here, recall that 2x squared over x squared minus 1 is equal to m. So for the first value of m, that equal 4. So m1 has 4 right here. This equation then becomes, we have 2x squared over x squared minus 1, and this equals 4. 4 over 1, and we can simply cross multiply. 1 multiply 2x squared, 4 multiply x squared minus 1. 4 into bracket x squared minus 1, and this equals 2x squared times 1, 2x squared. So with this, 4 will multiply and open the bracket. 4 times x squared, 4x squared, 4 times minus 1, minus 4, and this equals 2x squared. Move 2x squared over to this side, okay, and minus 4 over to this other side. We have 4x squared minus 2x squared equals 4. This will give us 2x squared equals 4. Divide both sides by 2. 2 will divide 2. X squared is equal to 4 over 2 is equal to 2. Next, to solve for x, we need to square root the equation. So we have square root of x squared equals plus or minus square root of 2. Square cancel square root. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. And with this, we have the first solution of x as plus square root of 2, and the second solution of x to equal minus square root of 2. So these are the first and the second solution of x for the value of m1 to equal 4. Now, for the value of m2 to equal minus 3, solving this, we have the value of m2 to equal minus 3. Okay, to then solve for x, recall that 2x squared over x squared minus 1 equals m. So writing this down, that 2x squared over x squared minus 1 equals to m. So m has minus 3, and this becomes 2x squared over x squared minus 1 equals minus 3, then over 1. We can then simply cross multiply. 1 multiply 2x squared minus 3 will multiply x squared minus 1. This becomes minus 3 into bracket x squared minus 1, and this equals 2x squared. Minus 3 times x squared minus 3x squared minus 3 times minus 1 plus 3, and this equals 2x squared. Move 2x squared over to the left hand side and move plus 3 over to the right hand side. We have minus 3x squared minus 2x squared equals to minus 3. This will give us minus 5x squared equals to minus 3. Minus cancel minus, divide both sides by 5. By 5. 5 divide 5, we have it that x squared is equal to x squared is equal to 3 over 5. Next, to solve for the value of x, we need to square root this equation. So square root x squared equals to plus or minus square root of 3 over 5. Square cancel square root. X is equal to plus or minus square root of 3 over 5. Such that with this, we then have the third solution of x, x3 is equal to plus square root of 3 over 5, and x4 is equal to minus square root of 3 over 5. So these are the first solution of x, x3, x4, and we have x1, x2. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Do want to like this video, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. God bless you.